Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Well, if you guys watched my Hot Flicks applicator video opening, and remember I told you that I needed to order a plug. Well, here is the plug. It just came yesterday. So I wanted to open this on camera so you can see it. I tell you, Amazon Prime, they get your stuff here quick. And this is what the plug looks like. And you will see me utilizing this on another video. So this video today is about one nice package that I got from Amazon. And I wanted to share it with you because I can't wait to open it. So this is my little Amazon box that came. Besides other stuff, but this is what I'm showing today on the camera. Now, if you have a Cricut or a Silhouette Cameo, which I have a Silhouette Cameo for, and I will show you that in a minute. So this is what it looks like, and it needs to be dusted down a little bit, but this is my Silhouette Cameo 4, and I've had this about going on probably 3 years. I was really excited when I first purchased it. I was doing a lot of cutouts, making t-shirts and stuff, but I just got bored with it and put it away. But now I am back to making my little arts and crafts, and I will show you one of the things that I have been working on. So these are some of the little things that I have been working on for the past couple weeks for my grandson's first birthday party. Little items, and you use your Silhouette and it cuts it out perfectly. Now back to the mats. These are the mats that you place inside. You put your cardstock on it and you place it in the machine, and you design this on your computer, and then it prints it at, it cuts the outer edges around your item. But this video is not about how to use your Silhouette. I'll do another video for that, but I just wanted to show you these were my old mats. As you can see, this is what came with my machine. And then I said, oh no, this is not going to work. I need to order new ones. But prior to that, I had went to Walmart and picked this brand new mat up. And this was about $9. I wasn't too happy about paying $9 for one mat. So this was a recent purchase. So once again, underneath the blankets, I went online to Amazon and found a whole complete kit. And this just arrived, so let's open it because I'm excited to see what's in it. And these are in this kit you get, let's see, I think you get 3 new mats. These are the 3 new mats that I got. Yep, you get 3. And these are the 12 by 12 mats for comparison. And they are a little smaller than the Circut, the Cricut mat. You see how much that is down at the bottom. And then this is the original silhouette mat. So let's measure that up. And this is actually a perfect fit. So I'm doing this for my crafter ladies that are probably tired of running to Walmart or Hobby Lobby and spending, like I do, $9 on a mat. So in this kit, like I said, you get 3. I can't wait to try these out. And let's see what else they have in here. I mean, I got a whole lot of good stuff, and I love how they gave you a nice big envelope to put your mats and all your supplies back in. Alright, so they give you a pair of, let's get this unwrapped. So I got a new pair of scissors. And they give you a knife. And this is my new spatula. And what the spatula is that when you're trying to pick up your paper on your machine, this picks it up without you having to rip it. These are my welding weeding tools. I'm not going to take them out, but this is what they look like. And you know, these are, you need these when you're working on smaller projects on your machine. Let's see what's in here. I mean, I'm liking this kit so far. And then when you're doing transfers and using your transfer tape, they give you all different type of the spatula, so it's smoothed across the item that you're working on. So this was an extra bonus. And what is this? Oh, they give you 2 pair of pliers, which is good. This is when if you're working on in the silhouette program, if you have the, I think it's the business one, I'm not sure, but you can use these for your rhinestones, so I thought that was great. And lastly, oh, look at this. And it gives you a nice little like a bag, and it's like a felt bag. And I guess you can just put all your items in here so they do not get missing. Which, very nice. Something that I need to keep myself organized. And down. And then they give you some sort of instructions. And this is for, because it's saying the cutting mat is a little smaller than the standard mats of the Cricut, which we just saw that, because it is designed for both the Cricut and the silhouette cutting machines. So it just gives you information of how to line it up, I guess, for, this is the silhouette and this is for the Cricut. So that's good. I'll make sure I hold on to these instructions. So this little kit was, let's see, because you know, Amazon, they do not send you any type of receipt in the box. You always have to revert back to the Amazon app and to see how much it actually cost you. So I do not have that out in front of me, but I'm looking right now. So this is what it looks like. You get this whole kit for $20. I thought that was a phenomenal deal. Now they had other kits, but I didn't need all that extra stuff. I had lost my welding tool and my spatula somewhere around here, of course, but I just wanted to upgrade, especially paying $20 for this whole complete kit. The mats alone was worth it, and I feel that this was just an added bonus with all the tools. So any of you ladies that have a Cricut machine or a silhouette machine, I will leave the, I will make sure that I do a screenshot and leave that down in the description box, just in case you are in need of new mats and new items for your machine. Because I went to Hobby Lobby the other day, and I just couldn't believe they were charging like $7.99 or $8.99 just for the scraper. I was like, no, I could do better on Amazon. So that was my little package I was happy to get yesterday. So that is my little haul that I got today from Amazon. I just wanted to get on and show you the packages, because I try not to go out too much to the store. I've been doing a lot of Amazon shopping online, and I tell you, it's worth every bit of it. You don't have to have that stress, you know, in the store trying to cover up with all, you know, with your mask and everything else. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I will put the links down at the bottom, and if you do purchase them, let me know. This is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to share my unboxing. And always remember, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. I will see y'all in another video. Stay blessed and be safe. Bye-bye.